This exam application tutorial is on the topic of car safety. The question for 6 marks reads, explain the dangers of a tyre tread less than 1.6 millimeters in terms of a car's stopping distance. So in other words, explain how a small tyre tread is related to aquaplaning, that means skidding on water, and explain how this affects the stopping distance. Well, firstly, let's deal with the tyre tread issue. A tyre with a small tyre tread can become waterlogged very easily. So if we compare the tyres on these two cars, you can see this one has deeper grooves, a greater tread, whereas these ones have been worn away, so it's a very shallow tread. This car is at risk of aquaplaning. So because it can become waterlogged easily, this reduces friction between the car and the road, which can cause the car to skid or aquaplane. So you can see that here, they're moving, and what happens is we apply the brakes now, but the car with a low tyre tread continues to skid and move past where it should have stopped. So the braking distance has increased, so worn tyres increase a car's braking distance, which of course will increase the car's overall stopping distance, because thinking plus braking distance equals stopping distance. If you increase the braking distance, then you increase the overall stopping distance of the car. Remember, it says explain the dangers. So the dangers are, if your stopping distance is increased and you're skidding, you have less control, this increases the risk of a road accident. So we've related a worn tyre to aquaplaning. We've talked about how aquaplaning affects stopping distance here, and we've explained the dangers of not being able to control your stopping distance or having a longer stopping distance.